What's up, you guys? It's Rihanna Niece. I am back again with another video. So today I'm going to be doing an unboxing and first impressions on a new skincare brand that I have never tried before. It's called 8 Saints. They have a discovery kit on their website that contains all their top selling skincare products. So if you're like me, you've never heard of them, you've never tried any of their products, you can literally try all of their top products at one time for just $10, okay? $10. I will be dropping the link down below. I could not believe it. It's supposed to be really, really nice, luxurious skincare products. Again, I had never heard of the brand. I just got by a Facebook ad. You know how it is when you're scrolling Facebook or Instagram. I wanted to try their discovery kit and just, try a little bit of everything and see how I felt, see how my skin reacted to everything. The discovery kit, they limit to 1 per household. It sounds like they're like extremely strict about that. You can never get another discovery kit sent to the same address twice. Today, I'm just gonna show you guys what I got in the mail. I literally have not even taken it out of the box. It was mailed in, you guys. You guys are getting a fresh unboxing like it is early 2000s YouTube. Okay, we keep it old school over here. Just tell you guys what's in the kit, my first impressions on smell, size, everything. So let's get right into this. This is not gonna be a long video. It's going to be very straight to the point. Let's open this box, you guys. This is the box that it came in. I'm already feeling it because, like I said, I won't show you guys the other side of the box because it has my address on it, but this is literally the box it got mailed in. I love the branding on the mailing packaging. That is very cool to me. Means you care about your brand. Okay, cool. So it gives you a whole little chart that literally gives the descriptions of each product on the back, and then it tells you how to use it day and night on the front. Okay, so the first thing that's in here is something I definitely am interested in purchasing if it works, and that is the 8 Saints All-In Eye Cream. And now this eye cream says it has glycolic acid, MSM, peptides, antioxidant, hyaluronic acid, squalane, vitamin C, and vitamin E. Out. So let's open it and just see if it has any kind of smell. It has like a very, very faint smell. Smells very clean, which I'm excited about. I hate highly fragrant stuff. I used to be such a Lancome freak until I had a baby, and now I can't even stand the smell of the stuff. Okay, so the next thing in the kit is 8 Saints Soulmate. It's a brightening treatment. In the description, it says that you're supposed to use the Soulmate during the day, and that the Soulmate is a multidimensional skin brightening moisturizing treatment that combines hyaluronic acid and glycolic acids for hydration and rapid cell turnover. I don't know if you're like me, but I get like darkness, especially under my cheek after the sun hits my face. I get, and I'm not talking about a tan, y'all. I'm talking about like a discoloration right here sometimes. So I love using brightening treatments that don't actually bleach or lighten your skin, but it just evens out the skin tone. So I definitely am interested in that. Let's see how the brightening stuff smells. Okay, the brightening stuff definitely has a smell to it. Again, it's very clean. It's nothing like super floral or like weird, but it reminds me of the brightening stuff from Sicily Cosmetics, which is a very, very luxurious high-end skincare line that I've used before, and I love their Fido Blanc line. I love their stuff, and it literally smells the same. I also noticed that same smell in the Dior Snow line, which is another brightening line. So whatever's in there is in those same products. It smells very good, but it has a very distinct smell. The next product is, this one's called Daydreamer. It's a smoothing moisturizer with hyaluronic acid, vitamin E, and antioxidants. I am so here for anything with hyaluronic acid, and it looks like literally everything in their line has it in there, which I love. But this is what the Daydreamer looks like. Let's give him a little sniff. Smells a lot like the eye cream, so I'm assuming they have the same like moisturizing agent in there. Next little sample is the Cloud Whip C Cream. And I'm assuming that's a vitamin C cream. Yeah, vitamin C, antioxidants, and MSM. And this one's 8 milliliters. All the facial treatments are 8 milliliters. And the eye cream was 4 milliliters. Did I already smell him? I might have already smelled him. No, I didn't. Okay, let's see. Oh, he's thick. Cause she thick. She made me stutter. He's real thick, y'all. I'm gonna have to take a little bit of that. Oh, that's nice. Look at that. It's like very creamy, but like lightweight, which that's what I love. I hate like a heavy cream that takes too long to soak in. And it smells very clean. Like, think Kiehl's. Like, that's what it reminds me of, Kiehl's. Okay, the next one is called Zen out of 10 Bamboo Detox Scrub. So this one's a scrub. 8 milliliters, antioxidants, and vitamin C. And that's a little scrub-a-dub-dub. You can definitely smell the vitamin C in the scrub. You can just take a look. It's even orange in color. It looks kind of like caviar. I can tell the granules in the scrub are very, very fine, which I love. Now this one is called Bright Side Deep Clean Cream Cleanser. So that one goes with the Bright Side Moisturizer. And this one has glycolic acid, vitamin E, and antioxidants. So I love cream cleanser. I like doing a 2-step cleansing, sometimes 3 if I'm doing exfoliation. So this is nice and creamy. This is the cleanser. It looks like a moisturizer even. Ooh, now this one I'm super excited about. This one's called No Plans Desert Rose Mask. Let's see what it says about this one. So No Plans Mask, this natural Kaolin, I've never heard of that word, y'all. Kaolin, Kaolin, never heard of that. Clay face mask works double time to maintain hydration while detoxing the skin. It pulls out impurities and pollutants from skin and delivers soothing minerals without the drying qualities of other facial clay masks. Oh yeah, it's nice and thick. Mud mask. This one smells good too. It literally smells like the spa. Last jar is the Night Shift Hydration Gel. It has peptides, vitamin C, MSM, and antioxidants. So I'm assuming that's like a more lightweight gel. Ooh, very jelly. And it's very, very lightweight. Smells very good. This one smells highly botanical. The smell of it, the texture, everything is reminding me of those really good high-end nighttime sleep masks. Like Chanel has a really good one. It's reminding me of that. Okay, Night Shift is an instant explosion of hydration, keeps your moisture levels balanced, while vitamin C and E work to repair skin cells as you sleep. This face gel is enriched with peptides to stimulate collagen production and jojoba oil to eradicate fine lines and dryness. Yes, it is one of those sleep masks, which I am obsessed with. That's like, other than clay mask, that's my favorite kind of mask because you just slap it on, you go to sleep, and then you wake up looking 12. Okay, so that was all the jars. As I said, all the creams, masks, everything were 8 milliliters. The eye cream was 4 milliliters. You get 8 sample jars, which is a lot, okay? Now remember, this whole kit was only $10, and I think that even included the shipping. Okay, so then you get 4 vials. So let's look at the vials. This one is the Down to Earth Mud Cleanser. So this is a swirled mud gel cleanser. You can see in there, it's very liquidy. It smells just like the mask. It's very earthy, very, very soothing. Smells like the spa. I love the smell of all these products. You can tell they didn't add any fragrance to the products. The smell is just what the ingredients are. Okay, and this next one is called Pep Rally. It's a gel radiance serum. I'm obsessed with serums, you guys. Serum is life. Hair serum, face serum. I'm here for all the serums, okay? This has hyaluronic acid, vitamin C, vitamin E, and MSM. This formula acts quickly to brighten skin tone, minimize pores, and protect against free radicals. Botanical-based hyaluronic acid gives you the ultimate boost in moisturizing power and tones the skin, reversing traces of dullness and stress. Girl, let me just bathe in this then. Reduce the looks of stress, honey. 2020 got us all stressed out. We might as well drink this. No, I'm just kidding. Please don't drink it. Smells so good. Oh, we get 2 serums, you guys. There's another serum, vitamin C serum. And what is this one called? Seeking C. Oh, now this one's like thicker than the other serum. Has a cloudy consistency to it. I'm just going to use just a touch Oh yeah, that feels nice and cooling. You can definitely smell the vitamin C in this one, and it smells so refreshing. The consistency is nice and lightweight. You will have no problem putting on a moisturizer on top of this. And last but not least is the High Society conditioning oil. I'm assuming that's just like using an argan oil or jojoba oil, which I love to use on my face. But let's read the description and see if it has anything different. Our luxurious custom skin oil blend melts into the skin. We source the best of the best and natural plant-based oils, combining omega-rich marula, hydrating jojoba, didn't I just say jojoba, and lavish neroli with many more antioxidant-rich facial oils. Absorbs quickly and offers intense hydration whilst smoothing lines. Well, honey, smooth these lines, honey. We're here for it. So I just want to smell it. Neroli is like an orange flower. So I'm assuming then this is going to smell kind of orangey. And it does. It kind of smells like the vitamin C serum and everything. And you can see it's a very lightweight oil, not thick. Put the oil on before you put the Cloud Whip, which is the moisturizing cream, on top. So it has to be very lightweight then, because you're supposed to put a moisturizer on top. So I'm just gonna feel the consistency of the oil real quick. Oh, it's nice, you guys. Ugh. I don't want to waste it on my hands. Put it on my décolletage. Jojoba oil is one of my favorite oils to use personally anyway, because it mimics your natural sebum the best. So jojoba oil has always been my go-to, so I'm super excited about trying this. This is everything, you guys. So this is what it looks like when you get it. You get 8 of the 8mm jars, and like I said, the eye cream is the only one that was 4 milliliters, and all of the vials were 5 milliliters. Your cleanser, serum, 2 serums, and an oil. I'm super excited, you guys. I am pleasantly surprised. The sizes are very nice. You can try it for at least, I would say, a good week. The instructions that they give you 6 days. Good amount of time to notice, like, is your skin gonna react to it? Does it actually work? I mean, a couple of days you're gonna see a little bit of a difference. Of course, when you're, doing your skincare, it's about preservation mostly, and correction takes some time. I mean, this is not surgery. You'll know if your skin is reacting to it. You'll see if it's a little plumper, more moisturized. As far as the anti-aging, I mean, you'll have to take a little bit more time to notice those changes. I definitely will be using these, and I do want to report back on just like how my skin reacted to it. Did I actually like the product once I used it? Again, I will drop the link for this if you want to purchase it for yourself below. I hope you guys enjoyed this fun unboxing. If you did, please give this video a big old thumbs up. Make sure you're subscribed to my channel if you enjoy motherhood and lifestyle videos like this one. And into the next one. Bye.